In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access Schoolnet. Schoolnet is a tool that your teachers will be using for quizzes, tests, and classroom activities. In order to log into Schoolnet, you must be logged into your PowerSchool, just like how you check your grades. Once you are logged into your PowerSchool, you have several options on the left to choose from. If you scroll down to the bottom, your last option is a red circle with a white schoolhouse picture in the middle, and it says Schoolnet. You are going to click on this link. When clicking on the Schoolnet link, it will prompt you to another page. This is another login page. This login is not the same as your PowerSchool login. Your username for the Schoolnet login is your student ID. However, your password is different. Your teacher will provide you with this specific password. Once you are logged into Schoolnet, you will come to a screen that looks similar to this one. As you can see, there's not a lot of information here yet because there have been no assignments assigned and there have been none taken. Once you begin doing assessments and assignments in Schoolnet, this page will fill up with more information. Likewise, when you click on the benchmark test or the classroom test button, you'll find little information now, but as you use Schoolnet more and more, you'll have more information there. On the left side, you have the option to take a test or complete an activity. In order to do any of the activities, quizzes, or tests that your teacher assigned, you must have a specific passcode. You will enter that passcode here on the left and then hit go. Once you hit go, it will take you to a separate screen where you will complete the activity, the quiz, or the test. Your teacher will provide you with this passcode. As we use Schoolnet more and more, you will be provided with more instructions on how to best utilize this tool.